Imagine you're working on an important project and suddenly your computer freezes or starts displaying error messages. You try to access your files, but they seem to be missing or damaged. Then you realize that your hard drive might be corrupted. But don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through 4 practical methods to fix your corrupted hard drive and help you recover your important files. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Before trying any troubleshooting, it's better that you stop using the hard drive to enhance the possibility of recovering your data. So, the first thing you may want to do is to recover files that you've lost. I recommend you use tools like EaseUS Partition Master, which has the ability to recover lost partition from your hard drive. First, open EaseUS Partition Master and go to Partition Recovery. Then, select the disk where corrupted drive locates. Click New Scan and wait for a few seconds. You should then be able to view the lost partition on the panel if there's any. You can click Recovery here to retrieve your data. Now, let's see how we fix your corrupted hard drive. So, the first thing you can try is to connect this drive with a different cable or using a new computer. This helps you to verify if the corruption is on your disk or other hardware. If the issues still exist, you should then try other methods to repair the drive. So the second method is to run checkdisk command in command prompt. This is a Windows built-in utility that allows users to execute various command lines to modify their system and disks. To run checkdisk command, search for CMD in the taskbar search box. Click here to run command prompt as administrator. Then, type in the checkdisk command as I do. You should replace this letter here with your target drive letter. Then, press enter to start. This process will fix logical errors and locates bad sectors, recovering readable information. It may take some time depending on the capacity of your drive and size of your data. Once it's done, you should be able to use the drive again. If not, you can also try the third method to solve the problem. The third method is using third-party professional disk repair tool. You can choose the software I mentioned before, EaseUS Partition Master. It basically covers all the features that I need for managing my drives, including repairing them. Now, let's see how to use this tool to help us get rid of disk errors. First, open this tool and you should see all the drives are presented on the main panel. Locate the corrupted drive here. Right-click on it. Select Check. Check File System. Remember to tick this option to fix any errors the tool finds. Then, click Start to begin. Wait patiently and the tool will automatically repair the errors it detects. If it doesn't help you, we can also go to the toolkit to get a more powerful function. In here, we choose Bad Sector Scan. You will see a new window. Now we got 2 options. One is to scan each partition. The other one is to scan the whole disk. If you want to do this more thoroughly, Scan Disk is a better choice. Now, select the target disk you want to scan. Click Start to begin. As you can see, this tool is scanning all the sectors on your disk. Green means the sector is healthy. If there's a red one, it means there's a bad sector on your disk that needs to be repaired. With the help of this professional tool, there is a great possibility that your disk can be restored to health. So the last option is kind of violent, because you are gonna format the drive to fix the problem. Right-click on the corrupted drive and select Format. You can either choose Quick Format or Full Format. Quick Format will erase all the data on the drive and reset the drive's file system. But it offers you the possibility to retrieve the data by using a data recovery tool. In the meantime, Full Format is extremely useful on fixing disk errors, but you should think twice before doing so. It basically wipes the drive and make all the data on it unrecoverable. So, if you got nothing to worry about, this can be your final option. Thank you for watching our video on fixing corrupted hard drives on Windows 10 and 11. If you found the information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.